Channel again. In this video we will see how to download and install Adobe Creative Cloud. So guys, for downloading your Adobe Creative Cloud, it is very easy, but first thing is you need a subscription. So guys, first of all you go to Adobe. Okay, so Adobe, just leave all this thing, Adobe Creative Cloud. Here you go for free trial. So guys, if you want to get the free trial, so you just click an option of the free trial, enter your individual details, then use your plan, add 7-day free trials, then click the option of continue. Okay, after that you simply download it. Now this is screen, and when I go for manage my account, so guys, here you check all my subscriptions. So here you see these all are my subscriptions. Okay, manage plan, and these are my payment method. Now when your payment is complete, simply go to your Adobe Creative Cloud. So simply go here, and guys, after that guys, here you see the option of Adobe here like this. So you simply click here and you go to the official page. Okay, after that when you are on the page, so guys, here you see there download Creative Cloud. So you simply click on the option of download Creative Cloud. So guys, here you see that my Creative Cloud installer is download. So click the option of save and your download is begin. Okay, so it's totally depend on your system. Then here you go and double click on your Creative Cloud, then again click it and open it, then allow to install it, then click the option of continue, enter your system password and put it into the full screen mode. Okay, and here it's take around 5 seconds to 2 seconds. Here it asks you to Adobe ID, so you continue with Google. So you choose your ID. When you sign in successfully, then you go back to your Adobe. Now guys, you simply approve, you are signed in. Now it automatically redirect you to your application. Here you see Creative Cloud installer. Now start installing. So it now installing all these things. Then you select your questions. If you want to skip, so click the option of skip. So what creative topic interested you most? So we are using in photos. So click the option of done, and here you see that is installation is begin. So this is the simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.